Alright, so you downloaded a file on Chrome on your iPhone and now you are like, okay, where did it go? It can feel confusing at first, but there are two simple ways to find your downloaded files, either directly in Chrome or in the iPhone Files app. First open Chrome. Now download any file like you normally do. When the download starts, you will usually see a small download bar or message at the bottom. Now tap on opening. From here, tap on open in downloads. Once you do that, your iPhone will take you directly to where that file is saved. Now if you downloaded the file earlier and you can't see any download bar, no problem. Just open the Files app on your iPhone. At the bottom, tap on browse. Now tap on my iPhone and here you will see a folder called Chrome. So open that folder and this is basically Chrome's download folder, and here you will find all the files you have downloaded by Chrome. And that's it. If this video helped you, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.